Good morning, everyone. Well, last night the rain was west of us in Sanford. It kind of drifted over to Apex. There were severe thunderstorm warnings and stuff. There was tree damage the night before, plenty of it, and people without power for a while, but we didn't get any rain again. So I've been working my way up to coming out and watering, which is what I'm fixing to do. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Yes, I've put some dry chow down here, but I'm fixing to go out back with the regular stuff. Just talking to our friends. I'm sure they appreciated seeing you run up the stairs. Hey, sweetheart. Hi, good morning. There you go. Hi, come here. Come here. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. You ready to go out, Marty? There's Morris. I'm always relieved to see that he's up and doing good, since he doesn't come inside and I can't keep quite as close an eye on him. Come here, Morris. Come on, honey. Morris. Come on, Morris. Come up here. Morris, come on. He says, no, Mom, I want to eat over on the bricks with Marty and Stripe. That's just where I want to eat today. It's fine. Even for short periods of time, we're having such a hard time with the flies. I suspect part of it is because of the chickens up the hill. Hi. Hi. Here. Morris, good morning, honey. Good morning. It's all the same dry chow. No need to worry on it. Just eat. I gotta water with the hose again today. There were a couple of things yesterday afternoon that I took a watering can to, that over in here that I didn't get the day before because Morris, I didn't want to scare him. Anyway, I gotta get out the hose. I'm looking forward to it, can't you tell? Well, FedEx is here with Chewy and Bamboo, and oh my God, the smog that came out of that truck. And it's not our favorite driver. I'm printing a Snoopy thing for Sam, although I think it's lifted on the end. So I don't know if it's going to be okay or not. We'll see. Sometimes those door corners lift. That's a weird side to lift. And here's some other stuff I've been printing. Dawn's got to take the support off the Flower Girl pot. Some more wind spinners, different colors, different patterns. Are you in kindergarten?
I guess so. I like to make it go.
First grade? He's making it have a fancy pattern like a fountain. Well, I'm about to call it a wrap on sprinkling today. I did this area here and 2 spots over there and 2 or 3 spots over here. I'm not running it a super long time. The perennial border doesn't need, that much, but. Well, they've come and put wood fencing up around part of the prairie garden. Looks like they've got more to do. They just didn't finish today. I don't know that I see that as a real positive, because people weren't really walking through it except for me and Dawn when we were very carefully picking up trash people were throwing in there.
Right.
I don't know. I mean, I like the wood fence, but then you can't see the flowers because the fence rail's in the way. So.
Yeah. But that
oh well.
Kind of implies that they do plan for that to stay.
Yeah, permanent thing there.
Maybe somebody will maybe it'll self-seed, put some more flower seeds down there.
Yeah. Wow, it's hot walking into the community center. Of course, it's late. It's, what time is it, Donnie? It's after 2?
Yeah, it's almost 3.
Oh, God.
It's
2:40. Okay. We're not sure why the flags are at half-mast. We'll have to see if we can figure that out. Sometimes it's more obvious than others. You know, they don't lower it willy-nilly. There's always a definite reason, but we may not know what that is sometimes. Phew, I just want inside and out of this baking sun. I mean, it's not like I didn't spend time outside today already. Go, Donnie, go. There's a chance. It's coming north out of Fayetteville today.
Yeah, it's darkened up. When I was looking out the window earlier, it was sunny, white puffy clouds. Now I see dark ones.
Oh, Donnie, we're done.
Yes, we are. We are absolutely done.
Well, we got 2/100ths of an inch of rain, so I can't say we didn't get any rain at all. That's Morris over there in that chair, and Stripe just went under the Japanese maple on that white wicker table. I've got my squeaky floor and my handy nighttime to help me do some Lego builds while our St. Louis ribs cook for dinner. This is for the Lego store. I wanted to put a bathroom and a bedroom upstairs, and I'm having some help from nighttime. Thanks, sweetie. Anyway, I'm going to work on that bathroom, and I've also got a bed, and I picked out a couch for the Wednesday's house mansion one I started yesterday. There's a white and black couch I found that looked kind of goth. I might do it in red and black. We'll see. So I've got furniture to build today. My black windows when we came in from the gym still were not here. But this furniture needs to be built, so that's, you know, just as important. I haven't installed it, obviously, but here's the tub, the washing machine, the cabinet sink, the plunger and toilet, and the toilet tissue. So I might try to put up a mirror piece in there on the wall also. This person, the designer, had picked gold, probably because mostly the faucet comes in gold. So anyway, it's ready to be installed, which I'll do tomorrow. I didn't get to the bed.